Hello, amazing students. Thank you so much for doing your do now. We're going to go over those answers real quick and talk about what we're doing next. Okay, first off, scrolling back up here, how many pieces of evidence do you need in your professional paragraph? You need 2. So go back and change the answer if you need to. You do context, evidence, explanation, and then you do it again. Context, evidence, explanation. So make sure you do that 2 times through. Next, to embed your quotes, number 2, means to seamlessly have your quotes just flow seamlessly within your evidence paragraph. I know you've been working on this a lot with Ms. Forth, and that's what we're working to do here. And finally, number 3, after you finish writing your professional paragraph, you have to proofread. You have to proofread, go back through, check that for grammar, spelling, make sure it makes sense. Okay, so right now what you're going to do is you're going to review a few of the paragraphs I got submitted and tell me which one is best and why. There are 3 paragraphs. Down below, you'll put your answer in Google Classroom in a question, okay? I'm going to put right here, make sure your answer is at least 4 sentences. I will be checking for that, okay? When you do that, I would use your professional paragraph handout. Here's an electronic copy if you need it. And once you've answered that question in Google Classroom, move on, and there's another video to help you out. Thanks for your good work, guys.